What if technology could help remove emotions from trading and make decisions based purely on data, patterns, and market trends? Today, we're looking at a user result that has caught the attention of traders everywhere. A trading account that started with $5,000 grew to over $9,729 in just a few trading days. That's more than $4,729 in profit, and an increase of approximately 94%. The question is, how did it happen? And more importantly, could artificial intelligence be changing the future of Forex trading forever? Stay until the end, because we're diving deep into the trend effects AI robot and the powerful ultra-free Forex bot. Let's be honest, most traders don't fail because they lack knowledge. They fail because of emotions, fear, greed, overtrading, revenge trading, and inconsistent decision-making. Even traders with solid strategies often struggle to follow their own rules. One emotional decision can wipe out weeks of progress. This is where artificial intelligence is beginning to change the game. Instead of relying on emotions, AI systems can analyze data, identify patterns, and execute strategies according to predefined rules. No fear, no hesitation, no impulsive decisions, just disciplined execution. And that's exactly why more traders are exploring AI-powered solutions. The Trend Effect AI robot is designed to identify market trends and execute trades based on advanced algorithmic analysis. Instead of staring at charts all day, the system continuously monitors market conditions and looks for potential opportunities. What makes this interesting is its focus on trend-following behavior. As many professional traders know, trends are responsible for some of the biggest market moves. The challenge has always been identifying those trends early and staying disciplined enough to follow them. The Trend Effect AI robot aims to solve that challenge by using technology to process information faster than a human trader could. It analyzes market conditions, tracks momentum, identifies potential entries, and manages positions according to programmed rules. The goal isn't to predict every market movement. The goal is to capture opportunities while maintaining consistency and risk management. Let's talk about the result that has been generating so much attention. One user started with a trading account balance of $5,000. After only a few trading days, that account reportedly reached $9,729. That's an increase of more than $4,729, a return of approximately 94%. To get access to the free Ultrabot and the Trend Effect AI robot, join our Telegram channel using the link in the description or the pinned comment below. However, this demonstrates what can happen when technology, strategy, and disciplined execution work together. And that's exactly why AI trading tools are attracting so much interest globally. Artificial intelligence is transforming nearly every industry: healthcare, finance, transportation, and now Forex trading. Another exciting development is the ultra-free Forex bot. This tool allows traders to connect their accounts and make consistent profit from the Forex market. For many beginners, one of the biggest challenges is knowing when to enter and exit trades. The ultra-free Forex bot helps simplify this process by following its trading logic for people who cannot spend hours in front of charts every day. AI like these provide an alternative approach to participating in the Forex market. Here's the reality. Technology alone is not enough, and discipline alone is not enough. But when technology meets discipline, consistency becomes a powerful advantage. That's the philosophy behind the Trend Effect AI robot. It's not about chasing unrealistic expectations. It's about combining intelligent technology with structured execution. The markets will always have opportunities. The challenge is being prepared to identify and manage them effectively. And that's where AI-powered solutions continue to make an impact. If you're interested in learning more about the Trend Effect AI robot and how traders are using AI-powered technology to improve their market approach, now is the time to explore what's possible. Reach out for activation details. Remember, when technology meets discipline, consistency becomes a powerful advantage. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel to get access to the free Ultrabot and the Trend Effect AI robot using the link in the description or the pinned comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and comment below AI trading, and let us know your thoughts about the future of artificial intelligence in Forex trading. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.